So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to pair EE TV Box Pro remote to TV, setup codes, Bluetooth pairing and fixes. So pair the remote to EE TV Box Pro Me Bluetooth pairing. Press and hold the home and 7 button at the same time. Then hold down the button until the LED around the BT icon flash purple 3 times. Then Bluetooth pairing connect the remote directly to the EE TV Box Pro, enabling full navigation, voice control and stable response without line of sight. So set up remote to control TV power and volume. Go to the settings, then remote and accessories, then set up TV control and select your TV brand. Then test the suggested code, volume or powered up, then confirm if it works or try the next down code shown. So TV control codes allow the EE remote to send infrared signal to your TV, replacing your TV's original remote for power and volume. If your TV brand is not listed, choose try another brand. Test similar or manufacturer related brands. Complete setup once, volume or power respond. Many TVs share IR command sets. Testing alternate brands often find a compatible control profile even if the exact brand is missing. So, the fixed remote not responding after pairing. Remove batteries from the remote, then unplug the EE TV Box Pro from power for 30 seconds, then reconnect power and insert batteries. So, repair using back plus OK button. Power cycling clear cache Bluetooth sessions and refreshes the remote connection to the TV box. You can also reset your remote if face issue again. Turn on your EE TV Box Pro, then press and hold home plus 9 on the remote, then hold down the button until the LED light around the BT icon flashes purple 3 times. Wait until the on-screen message confirms the remote is paired. So the fix is volume or power not working on TV. Repeat TV control setup and test all available codes. Make sure the remote is pointed at the TV during setup. This happens some codes partially works. Testing all options ensure the correct IR profile is applied for consistent volume and power control. So the fix of voice control not working. Confirm the remote is paired via Bluetooth, not IR only. Go to settings, then privacy and voice, and enable voice features. Then replace batteries if response is slow. Voice search require Bluetooth. Low battery power or disable permissions can stop the microphone from activating. Then reset the EE TV Box Pro remote. Last resort. Remove batteries, then press and hold power for 10 seconds, then reinsert batteries, then pair again using back plus OK. Then how this helps? A reset clears corrupted pairing data and restores factory remote behavior. Thank you. So these are the steps which can help you to fix this issue.